A 30-second commercial that used to cost $50,000 in 3 weeks of production now takes one prompt and 10 minutes. Major brands are already running AI-generated ads on primetime television, and most viewers have no idea they're watching synthetic actors. The first wave hit in late 2025 when car insurance companies replaced their entire ad campaign with AI-generated characters. No casting calls, no film crew, no location permits. They described the scene they wanted. The AI-generated photorealistic footage, and the spot went live. The cost dropped 92%. Within 3 months, competitors who stuck with traditional production were hemorrhaging market share because they couldn't iterate fast enough. What makes AI ads stick isn't just the economics, it's the creative freedom. Traditional comedy commercials live or die in the edit because you only get what the actors delivered on set. With AI video, brands test 50 variations of the same joke with different timing, different character reactions, different punchline delivery. The version that makes focus groups laugh hardest is the one that airs. One cleaning product company generated 200 versions of a single stain removal gag. A/B tested them online, and the winning cut outperformed their previous year's Super Bowl spot. The pushback came fast. Actors' unions called it job theft. Advertising purists said it lacked soul, and early attempts were obvious and uncanny. But the technology crossed the believability threshold in early 2026. The tells that used to give away synthetic footage, the weird hand movements, the unnatural eye contact, the slightly off lip sync, those are gone. A recent survey showed that 68% of viewers couldn't distinguish between human-acted and AI-generated commercials when watched in normal conditions. The shift isn't hypothetical anymore. 4 of the top 10 Super Bowl ads this year were fully AI-generated, though only one brand disclosed it. Regional brands that could never afford national campaigns are now competing with the giants because production costs collapsed. The barrier to entry disappeared. A startup with a $10,000 budget can now produce content that looks identical to a spot from a Fortune 500 company. What used to separate amateur from professional wasn't taste or strategy. It was who could write the biggest check to the production company. That advantage just evaporated. Whether this democratizes advertising or just makes the internet more saturated with perfect-looking noise depends on who learns to use it first. The cameras are already rolling. They're just made of math now. If you want to see where this goes next, subscribe and we'll keep you ahead of the curve.